Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house.
That's just like it made. She's not the most affordable, but like I don't think she's so outrageous. I think online, if I want to like go into the store,
it's not affordable. It is actually very outrageous. But I understand that it's like it's giving luxury.
And then take my shoes. You get to take some of my shoes. What else? For the 25th birthday party coming up.
You guys, obviously, I'm watching pressure
for what to do on your 25th.
Let me pause this, I beg. I fixed these lashes on. What was that? I think it was on Saturday when I created some content, and it looked cute, so I haven't taken it off since then. Yeah, you guys.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt. You walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was
Me, I see this. Now God is given to me.
all I wanted was
I don't know. Can you guys tell? I'm super excited. You guys, these past few days I have been feeling like absolute CRAP. To be honest, you guys, I've been feeling like absolute crap. I didn't upload a YouTube video last week, and then it's already Saturday and I'm still not done with editing the video that I'm supposed to post on Sunday. Can you imagine? Can you just believe that? But I don't know, like right now, today I feel so much better. See, God is good. I can't even lie. Trust God. God showed up for me, you guys. I might not even put this part. I'm talking all this long story in this vlog because they're playing music and a lot of voices are in the background. Yeah, but I just wanted to show you guys how we turn it up and show you guys how God can be so good to us. Yeah, I'm gonna try to edit now. I didn't want to stop because the AC is loud right now. Yeah, anyways, I'm going to, you know, my driving school where I'm supposed to fix an appointment for my driver's license capture. I didn't do all of that before I traveled because, you know, they have to fix a date for you, and I didn't want them to fix a date when I will not be around. So I decided to tell them that when I come back, yeah, I will now come and fix the date. You get me? Yeah, so that's what I want to do. And I also want to visit a client store so I can pick some things I'll use in creating content for her. Yeah, so that's the two things I'm doing today. I also would like to stop by to say market to see if I can pick one or two things, but I don't know if that one is going to work today. I want to, there is this content I want to create with a corset, so I'm legit looking for where to buy a corset. Yeah, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we shall see. Yeah, okay, bye.
I've been trapping around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be tasting back, doing Kiki on the river. Best to say deliver, but I know that you don't get it. Why you introduce us if you know that you was with them? I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Gossiping messages, that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Trapping around the world. Over the phone, dropping tears. I get more vulnerable when you try to tell me exactly how you feel.
You guys, the moment I decided to blow dry my hair, they took the light. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys. I took out my hair, I took out the ponytail and washed my hair myself. So I'm about to, blow dry it. So you guys, I'm trying to twist out my hair so that tomorrow morning I will see if it's gonna come out looking, with some little twists. So here is what I've done. And you guys, I don't know if you guys saw that because I wasn't looking. Yeah, see, I'm not really good at doing my hair. It's usually tough, very hard. The people that do it, I don't know how they do it, because damn, just by doing your hair and then you're trying to look at what you're doing, it's gonna be making you feel like you have 4 eyes. That's how I'm feeling. Yeah, so this first one I didn't twist it. I'm gonna try to twist it and continue with the rest. I really don't know how this is gonna look by tomorrow morning, but I'm hoping that it's going to have at least a little bit of coils, a little bit. Yeah, I didn't add water too. I think I needed to I think I need to spray a little bit of water so that I don't know, that's what I just feel. Anyway, you guys, I wanted to show you guys what we are doing. Yeah, and I'm gonna try to twist this one. Oh my god, it's not even morning yet and it's looking like this. Wow, this is cute though. Like, come on you guys, you can't deny it. It's not even morning yet. Anyways, I'm gonna try to twist it out.
Christmas cheer, drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while. Since I've been been to that little town called home. Pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got, and stockings hung, you know we're flowing from the top. And I hear sleepers bouncing off the halls as the
So you guys, I'm done. This is the whole hopefully in the morning it's going to come out looking, you know, good, because I want to go out and create some content. And yeah, what I'm going to do now is just see if I can arrange some of the things that I'm going to be using to create content. The outfits I'm going to be using to create content, iron them, check them out, and yeah, I'll probably even test it, you know, just to make sure they all look good, you know. Yeah, so let's do this.
You asked me to get you a file out of nowhere for a case that got put to bed over a year ago.
Casi eating that. Se está volviendo loco.
Nick,
Just forget it for now, okay?
did you at least get Trevor to sign off on the jury consultant?
Not exactly, no. Goodbye, but we're not.
El que me está volviendo loco eres tú. Dios mío.
6 outfits. Hopefully I wear all of them. Hopefully I get to, you know, take pictures with all of them, create content with all of them. Yeah, because sometimes you make plans and the plans do not work out. So, you know, you guys, look at this fit I'm gonna be wearing. It's cute, it's giving. Actually, there are 2 different outfits. This is a gown and this is a top, and we're going to be wearing it as a gown, and it's looking so cute. Okay, yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm done. So bye. Guys. Hi guys, good morning. So it's morning, I've had my bath. I am trying to, you know, kind of do my makeup, prepare so that I can step out to go take the content like we planned last night. Okay, yeah, I woke up by 6 and I was basically preparing myself mentally for, you know, the work I'm about to get into now, because right now is like after 9 or 10, I guess. Let me check. It's currently 9:06, so I'm gonna quickly do my makeup. And yeah, but guess who decided to show up this morning? The monthly visitor. It's still not gonna ruin my plan, and I'm so grateful to God that I'm not one of those girls that experience painful, you know, yeah, painful menstruation or cramps and all of those things. Yeah, my days are just like regular days, excluding, you know, the moods that comes with it. Yeah, so skincare first, let's do that. And I'm gonna keep this thing in time-lapse mode so I can film too.
Each quest seems a lie. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you.
You guys, we've done the first fit. I've done the first fit, so now this is the second fit. I have to change my lipstick to red. Cute. yeah, so
all I wanted was you. Now he's sleeping.
hey guys, so this is third outfit. I had to wear a wig to, you know, switch things up. Yeah, and don't worry, you guys are gonna see how it looks. So let's go. Okay, let's go, boo. Should I take bag or no bag? I don't know. I'm confused here. I think I'll take bag. Yeah. Oh my god, you guys, the fact that I wore wig made my hair flat, and that wig made me sweat, like legit huge sweat. Oh my god, you guys, this is the last fit, so I'm almost done. I'm so tired. But the good thing is that somebody is getting good pictures. I've been getting like good pictures. You guys don't mind me, I've been looking at the viewfinder. I've been getting good pictures. I cannot wait to edit them and post them. Yeah, so prepare to be sick of me, baby. Prepare to be sick of me.